Hi guys, I hope you're doing good and welcome back to the channel. So if you are new here, my name is Ravi and today I'm going to talk about this book called Built to Serve by Yvonne Carmichael. So I have read this around 1 year ago and Yvonne sent me this book. It's a signed copy, and when it's out, when it's published, we have a conversation on Instagram and he said me, if you wanted me to review my book on my Instagram page, I would be happy to send you a copy. And then I said yes, why not? And he sent me a hard copy of this book and also a signed copy, and I got very interested to read it because it's about passion and purpose, which is I'm very interested to know about different books in passion and purpose. So I'm got very triggered to read this book. Although I have read other books around finding out your passion and your purpose in life, but this book feel very practical to me because it tells you about three things in order to finding out your passion in life. It talks about your who, why and how, and in this book he shares a very personal story of his and kind of connected in each sections that he talks about, because when you read this book you will feel like, yeah, this is very practical in life. And when you think about it, he kind of share his own pain, personal stories around it and how he kind of discovered it, and that is why I feel very connected to this book and feels very practical to me. So the first thing he talked about is to finding out your who, and who is your core value, and it can be anything, it can be any idea or any actions or just kind of the things that you like to do every day and the ideas around it, and just things that makes you feel happy, makes you feel alive. And also it can be your painful point and where you feel like I want to change this and there's a problem and I think there's need to be fix it, and I also love doing it. So you have to think about that way in order to just finding out your who. And the next step is to figuring out your why. And in the book he says your purpose comes from your pain, and why is your purpose, and you need to think about what is the painful moments and what is the struggles that I have gone through in my entire life, and you need to think about it, and that is why you are going to teach others how to avoid the things that you have gone through, the painful moments that you have gone through, and this is your purpose. In this why section he talks about some other examples and some other emotional triggers that you need to figure out when you thinking about your painful moments. So in order to finding out your why, he explains how to finding out your why, what are the emotional triggers that you need to think about, so you kind of have a clear understanding of what I'm searching for. And he kind of gives some other people's example in the book and how they figure out their why and their purpose in life, so that you need to kind of go on the same steps to figure out your why, your main purpose in life. And the next section he talks about how to figuring out your how, and your how is your passion and the things that we talked about earlier in this video, the things that you are always wanted to do and the things that you still enjoy doing every day, and that is your passion and your how. So that is when you combine your these three things, your who and why and how, so that's basically your core values and your purpose and your passion. So that is the things that you like to do every day, your passion, and that is when you have your serving people mentality, and that is why you will discover your passion and purpose, whatever you call it, and that is when you will have a clear understanding of what you wanted to do. So this is my short review of this book, and if you haven't read it, please go check it out and give it a chance. It's a very practical book to finding out your passion in life and finding out your why, your who and how. And also in the last section he talks about how to convert your purpose into profit, and he talks about other social media things and how to build your own audience and kind of build a business around your purpose. And that's very interesting, and I think that's a very kind of some he also have very experience in building out his own YouTube channel and his own website and his own social media accounts, and I liked it very interesting, and I read it around last year I think, and that is the tips that also helps me and in my social media accounts. And I think if you haven't read this book, please go check it out and give it a chance. It's a very practical book, and also I liked it very much, and that is why I think I gave it a short review of this book. So if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel and also hit the bell icon and like this video, share this video, and you will find the other social media accounts links in the description box below. And also comment down below what are the other videos that you guys wanted to see on this channel, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.